Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI with collaboration platforms. So to use Perplexity AI with collaboration platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, follow these steps. You can use the API integrations, right? Click your profile icon at the top right, click API from here and set up the payment method. And after you set up the payment method, which I don't have unfortunately, you're going to be able to basically send queries or receiving responses via bot interactions or automated commands, right? And you can use a third-party integrations like Zapier or Make can help you create automated workflows that connect Perplexity AI with collaboration tools using the API keys, API feature, because it's already built from Zapier, right? So you can use plugins or extensions. Some collaboration platforms allow custom plugins or extension. Look for options to add AI powered features directly to your platform. If you don't have it, that means that it is not available in your region yet. By using these methods, you can enhance team collaboration with AI insights and responses. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.